In this video, I'm going to show you how to access ABC through YouTube TV's free trial. ABC is one of the popular channels included in YouTube TV's standard channel lineup, so you don't need any additional subscriptions to watch it during your trial. Start by signing up for the YouTube TV free trial, typically 7 to 14 days on their website or app. Once your account is set up, open the YouTube TV app or website and navigate to the Live section to find ABC's live broadcasts. You can also use the search bar to locate specific shows, news programs, or on-demand content from ABC. If you want to record live shows like The Bachelor or Grey's Anatomy, take advantage of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature, which is available even during the free trial. Just remember to cancel your subscription before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. With this setup, you can enjoy all the entertainment and news ABC has to offer. If this video helped you access ABC via YouTube TV's free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.